You feel it sometimes, a strange sense that you do not belong here, that the world around you, the screens, the schedules, the noise, was built for someone else. That feeling has a name, and it is older than civilization itself. Researchers who study evolutionary mismatch describe this not as nostalgia, not as depression, but as a biological signal. Your nervous system is telling you that something in your environment does not match the instructions encoded in your DNA. And those instructions were written somewhere between 50,000 and 300,000 years ago. Your body is running ancient software on modern hardware. Anthropologist Daniel Lieberman at Harvard argues that the human body did not evolve to be healthy in the modern world. It evolved to survive in a very different one. The rhythms, the movement, the social structure, so fundamentally different from today that your body is, in a very real sense, living in the wrong era. Your ancestors woke with the sun. They moved because staying still meant going hungry. They slept in fragments. Researcher A. Roger Kirch documented that pre-industrial humans woke in the middle of the night for an hour or two before sleeping again. The 8-hour block you chase every night is a modern invention. Your brain does not actually know how to do it cleanly. Social bonds in small hunter-gatherer groups were not optional. They were survival infrastructure. Anthropologist Robin Dunbar calculated that the human brain can maintain stable relationships with roughly 150 people, mapping almost perfectly onto ancient human band sizes. Today, you might have 800 followers and feel completely alone. That is not a personal failure. That is an architectural mismatch between your social brain and the scale of modern life. Your brain was built for 150 people, not 8 billion. Psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi found that people are most deeply satisfied not when comfortable, but when fully absorbed in meaningful, challenging activity. Exactly what defined ancient human life. Tracking an animal for hours, reading a landscape, solving a physical problem with your hands and your whole attention. Modern life offers comfort. It does not often offer that. Here is the counterintuitive part. The era your nervous system is homesick for was full of grief. Children died. Winters were brutal. And yet people were not chronically miserable. The suffering was present, immediate, with edges. You could see it and respond to it. Modern suffering is different, ambient, sourceless, vast. Your amygdala evolved to detect threats in a village of 150. Today, it processes thousands of potential threats every hour. It was never designed for that volume. So what do you do with that signal? You cannot live in 50,000 BCE, but you can understand what your body is asking for. Movement with meaning, darkness at night, a social circle small enough to truly know, work that uses your hands and your full attention, story told face to face. The world you were built for and the world you live in are not the same world. And the distance between them is not your fault. It is a gap that has been widening for 10,000 years. You were not born in the wrong era, but your body was built in one. And tonight, when the noise fades and something in you finally exhales, that is your oldest self finding a moment of quiet it has been waiting for since long before history began.